Have you ever wondered why we actually yawn? It's not just because you're bored. Forget the old myth. Scientists found out it's not about needing more oxygen. So, what's the real deal? Think of your brain as a computer. When it overheats, it slows down. Yawning acts like a cooling fan, bringing in fresh air to keep your brain sharp. Actually, yawning is a wake-up call. It stretches your facial muscles and boosts your heart rate to prepare you for action. And why is it so contagious? Because your brain is wired for empathy. If you yawn back, it means you're socially connected. Did this video make you yawn right now? Let me know in the comments below.